Have you ever wondered how people are making money just by recommending products on Amazon? Maybe you've tried before, but struggled to get approved or make sales. Well, in 2025, things are evolving, and I'm here to show you a new, smarter way to start and succeed with Amazon's affiliate program. I've been in the Amazon affiliate game for a while, so I know what works. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon affiliate account, get approved, and start earning commissions fast. Let's dive in. The first step is to join the Amazon Associates program. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Click on the official Amazon Associates website. This is where you'll sign up. On the homepage, you'll see a big yellow button that says Sign Up. Click it. If you already have an Amazon account, log in. If not, click Create Your Amazon Account and enter your full name, email, and password. Simple, right? Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the first step of the application process. This is where you'll enter your account information, like your name, address, and phone number. Oh, and you'll also need to choose a payee name. This is the name that will appear on your checks or bank statements. It can be your personal name or your business name if you have one. Now, here's a little heads up. Make sure all your information is accurate because Amazon will use this for verification and tax purposes later on. Once you've filled everything out, select the payee listed above if the account is for yourself. Finally, click Next. Alright, this is where it gets practical. Amazon needs to know where you'll be sharing your affiliate links. This could be your website, blog, or your social media. Now, a common misconception is that you need a huge following to qualify. That's simply not true. Amazon is mainly interested in where you plan to share your content, not the size of your current audience. So, for this example, I'm going to add my brand new Pinterest business account link where I plan to promote products. Just copy that link, paste it into this box, click Add, and then select No and click Next. Next up, your profile. Think of this as your Amazon affiliate introduction. Choose a display name. Since I'm focusing on Pinterest, I'll use a name that reflects my Pinterest brand, but you can use anything that fits your niche. Now, the description. This is your chance to shine. Tell Amazon what your content is about, who your audience is, and what you're trying to achieve on Pinterest. Here's what I wrote. I curate and share inspiring Amazon product finds on my social media, focusing on tech, gadgets, home improvement, and lifestyle. My goal is to help my followers find the perfect products for their needs. Perfect. Now, let's choose the categories that best describe your content. For my setup, I selected Content or Niche Website. Next, you'll need to type in the captcha to verify you're human. Finally, take a moment to read the Amazon Associates Program Operating Agreement. Once you've read it and agree to the terms, check the box and click Finish. Awesome! You've successfully applied to the Amazon Affiliate Program. But here's the thing, your application isn't fully approved yet. Amazon needs to see that you can refer qualified sales before they officially accept you. Right now, you have full access to the Associate Central dashboard, and you can use it anytime. But remember, you only have 180 days to make at least one sale. If you don't make a sale in that time, your application will be cancelled and you'll lose access to the program. Now, this is one of the most important steps, filling out your payment and tax information. This part isn't just a formality. It directly affects how you get paid, how much you keep, and even your credibility as an online entrepreneur. So listen carefully. Here's where I messed up early on, and I bet some of you are doing it too. You start making money online, whether through affiliates, e-commerce, or something else, and don't even think about setting up your business the right way. Big mistake. When I started cashing in, I realized that having a legit setup like a US LLC changes everything. It unlocks faster payouts, better payment options, and serious credibility, especially for platforms like Amazon or dropshipping. But trying to figure that out solo, total pain in the neck. That's where Doola saves the day. They make the process ridiculously easy, setting up your LLC in minutes, even if you're outside the US, and they don't just stop at registration. Doola also handles tax filings, bookkeeping, and even helps you open a US bank account, all from one simple dashboard. So if you want to focus on making money while they handle the boring legal stuff, check out Doola. Use my special link in the description to get a free demo and get started. And don't forget to use my code DoolaWealthWisdom10 for an exclusive 10% discount. Now that we've taken care of the tax and business setup, let's move forward. As you can see, we're now inside the Amazon Associates dashboard. This is where you'll track your analytics, monitor your performance, and access detailed reports. Now let me show you how to generate an affiliate link. First, head over to Amazon.com. Once you're logged into your Amazon Associates account, you'll see a toolbar at the top of the page called SiteStripe. This is where you can generate affiliate links for any product. Let me walk you through an example. Let's say I want to promote a coffee machine. I'll search for one on Amazon and look for the best option based on factors like how many people have bought it in the past month and the quality of its reviews. The more sales and positive reviews a product has, the better it is to promote. Once I've chosen a product, I'll check the SiteStripe toolbar, which displays the commission rate for that item. For example, this coffee machine costs $80 and has a 4.5% commission rate. That means if someone buys this product using my affiliate link, I'll earn around $3.60 per sale. Not bad, right? To get the affiliate link, simply click Get Link on the SiteStripe toolbar. This will generate a unique link that includes your affiliate ID, which tracks your referrals and commissions. Once you have the link, you can copy it and use it anywhere you want to promote the product, whether it's in your blog, social media, or YouTube content. Now, there's a way to earn even more money with Amazon affiliate marketing. Here's the thing, your audience might be purchasing products from different countries. If you don't enable the method I'm about to show you, you could miss out on commissions. To get paid when someone buys from Amazon using your link, you need to use Amazon OneLink. This tool automatically sends users to the Amazon store for their country, ensuring you earn commissions no matter where they shop. Let me show you how to set it up. First, click the settings icon on your SiteStripe toolbar. Then, click on Earnings. Next, click the three-line menu and select Tools. Here, you'll find OneLink. Click on it. Now, you'll see the option to enable global earnings. Click Get Started, then add the countries where you'd like to earn commissions. For example, let's say you want to target Canada, the UK, France, and Germany. Select those countries and click Next. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Submit. You're almost done. Finally, go to Redirection Preferences and click Update for each country you added. I recommend setting it to Close Match. This ensures visitors are directed to their local Amazon store, and when they make a purchase, you'll earn your commission. And that's it. You're all set to earn globally with Amazon OneLink. Alright, before we finish up, there are a few key rules you need to keep in mind to stay on Amazon's good side. These might seem small, but trust me, they're important if you want to keep your account safe and running smoothly. Always disclose that you're an Amazon associate if you're promoting links on a blog or website. Never use link shorteners to hide your affiliate links. Amazon wants full transparency. Don't place affiliate links inside PDFs, ebooks, emails, or private groups. Keep them on public platforms. Do not ask people to click your links just to help you out. Amazon strictly prohibits this. You cannot buy products using your own affiliate link. That would be considered self-referral. Avoid promoting any products that could be considered offensive to children. Follow these rules and you'll be on the right track. Alright, now that you have your Amazon Associates account set up, it's time to start making money. Watch these videos next to learn the best strategies, and I'll see you there.